What's up guys, Shane Starnes here. If you've just received your Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, one of the first things you're going to want to do is protect that beautiful 120 Hz display. There are a few options out there. One of my favorites happens to be the Whitestone Dome, but with that one you kind of need a degree in chemicals and science, and you also need about $50 to $60. There are plenty of options out there. One of my favorite low-cost solutions is the Sentinel case. This one includes a screen protector and also a case, so you get 360 degrees of protection. This screen protector has much fewer steps, so it's easier to install, and it's just more cost effective. So if you actually do break the screen protector, it's not, another $50 to go and get a new one. So first up, we'll go ahead and open up the box here and see what all it comes with. And big shout outs to Mobilefun for sending this out for review. I'll be sure to include a link in the description of where you can pick one of these up for yourself. All right, so we've got our glass screen protector, and then we have our different cleaning solutions, a microfiber cloth, an alcohol cleaning wipe, and some stickers. So we'll set that to the side. You do have your guide here of how to install the screen protector. And then we have the Sentinel case. So this is just a TPU case. It's not going to give your phone a ton of drop protection, but anything is better than nothing. I like the brushed metal finish here, and I do like the carbon fiber on the top and the bottom. This is super slim, so you're not even going to notice that you have a case on. It does have a raised edge here to help with the camera bump as well. So one thing that we want to do here is go ahead and go into your settings and clear out any of your fingerprints here, because we're going to have to re-register those after we've installed this glass screen protector. So we'll go to this biometrics and security. We'll go into our fingerprints here, and we'll go ahead and remove our fingerprints because we're going to have to totally reinstall those later. And then I'm going to go ahead and turn the phone off. So they do recommend putting this in the case before you get started. If you take a look on the back, that does protect your camera bump. So that raised lip is tall enough to protect the camera bump. So I really like that. We'll go ahead and start cleaning the screen. So you're going to want to hit this with the alcohol wipe first, getting all the grease off of here. So just give it a good wipe down. Next up, you're going to hit it with the microfiber cloth. So get it good and dry. Make sure you get as much dust off the screen as possible. Any kind of dust or lint can create air bubbles, which is going to keep this screen protector from working with your fingerprint sensor. There has to be 0 air bubbles in order for that fingerprint scanner to work. So we want to make sure that we get every last speck of dust off of the screen. So the way that we're going to take away all the dust is we're going to use the sticker. And just make sure you go through and thoroughly remove any and all dust. All right, next up we're gonna go ahead and remove our glass. Elixir Sentinel glass protectors have always had a border, but on this version, they've really slimmed that up, so it's almost non-existent. But I do like the border because it kind of helps you to get a perfect placement, a perfect fit. So the next thing that we'll do, the other thing I wanted to point out here is that there is a little bit of adhesive underneath the fingerprint scanner, and that's what allows the fingerprint scanner to work. So it takes away the chance for air bubbles there. Whenever we do peel this adhesive, whenever we do peel this piece of plastic off, you want to make sure not to touch this side because it has all of your adhesive on it. So first of all, we're going to go ahead and install our guide stickers onto the front side of the protector. All right, once we have our guides there, then we can go ahead and peel off the back of the screen protector. All right, just double check for any dust. I see a piece right there. I want to make sure I go ahead and remove that. All right, and then we'll use our guide stickers here to perfectly line this up. All right, so you want to get it in line with that camera. Once you have that perfectly lined up, just go ahead and drop it and it's going to do its thing. So it'll kind of stick on its own. All right, and you can press down on the edges and press in the center to kind of help speed it along. All right, so next up, we'll go ahead and power on the device. All right, so the first thing I want to do is go ahead and add my fingerprint scanner. I want to add my fingerprints back and test the fingerprint scanner with the new glass protector. Okay, so as you can see, the fingerprint scanner is working. We're going to actually test it out now. So I'm going to power the screen off here, and then we're just going to unlock the phone. I mean, you can see there, it works perfectly fine. I mean, it's as if there is no screen protector on the screen at all. As you guys can see, the screen is still just as bright as it was before. The only negative effect is if you do pull up, basically if you tilt this phone at an angle, you can kind of see the adhesive right there, but I mean, I'm perfectly fine with that. Let's see if we pull up. If you've got a white background there is a slight rainbow effect just right where that adhesive is on the screen. But there again, I'm okay with that. This is a great screen protector at $20 and it's easy to install. Let's go ahead and check out the S Pen functionality real quick just to make sure that it works fine. Yeah, and it works perfectly fine with the screen protector. It works just as if there was no screen protector. So you're not losing any quality in the screen itself. You're able to still use your S Pen, and that fingerprint scanner remains working with this screen protector on. Also thought it was worth mentioning that they do offer this screen protector by itself for $10.99. So if you already have your own case, like for me, I also like to use the Samsung rugged protective case because I really enjoy this kickstand. And this screen protector is also going to fit in here with no issues, and it's not going to pill up or anything. But if all you need is just a screen protector, it's $10.99, so that's also a pretty good value. All right guys, that about wraps it up for this video. Thanks for watching. Be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.